For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice chat in Roblox. To do that, go open the Roblox app. Next, click the three dotted lines at the bottom. Scroll down until you see the settings. Next, go to account settings. Scroll down and click the verify my age. After that, click the start session. It will redirect you to the browser. Click the begin verifying. Then select your country. Choose what kind of your ID that you want to upload. After that, click this camera icon and face your front ID in the camera. Click Allow Access. Then go over to the back camera for your ID. After the process, finish this face verification so that they will know that it will match your ID. After the successful verification, click the Close button. Click this arrow icon. Then go to Privacy. Toggle on this button. And now you're able to use the voice chat. That's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.